I am not in Benue State, Makurdi. I am not in Enugu. I am not in Benin. I am not in Nasarawa. I am not in Imo State. Neither am I in Anambra State. I am not in Jos. I'm not in Calabar. I am simply here in Ibadan. That is the city of Oyo State, the capital of Oyo State. It happens that you are living in one of these states. I want to tell you some agricultural works you can do in some of these states, some works that are missing, some agricultural works that are missing in this state. I want to list it to you. If you are outside country and you want to invest on your land and you are asking yourself, what can I possibly go into on my land that I'm going to earn money in so place? I will tell you all these things in this video. But first, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content for you. If you are a citizen of Benue State, if you are from Benue State and you want to invest on your land, you have a land in Benue State, either in Makurdi, the place of Otukpo, either in Boko, either in Adoka, any place you are in Benue State and you want to invest in agriculture and you are thinking of what can I do in Benue State that I'm going to earn money in agriculture. These are the simple business you are going to do in Benue State. Don't go for any other business. Don't even plan to go into crop business except you want to share the same thing with the people that are farming there. You know, in Benue State already, their slogan is food basket of the nation. So if you go into crop farming, it will just be as if you guys are sharing the same thing. But I want you to do something different. Although they are doing this thing in Benue State, but it is not like they take it as their number one business over there. In Benue State, you can simply go into feed mill industry. They need that thing very well. They need it so much in Benue State. So you can go into feed mill, just get your machines and start pelletizing feed for people, or get your machine and start grinding mash feed for people. Like if they bring their formula for their chicken this thing, so you grind it and you mix it. If you go into that business, you are going to make a whole lot of money in Benue State. And also chicken farming as well. If you start up a poultry farm in Benue State, you are going to make money. If you do the one of pig, although they have a lot of pig, but if you can go with the ideas of rearing all these good breed, long one, large white, land race, Duroc, and lots more, there is 100% possibility for you to make large amounts of money over there. Although they have local ones, that is why I said it's not going to be like the one you are going to do over there. So if you go into this business, you are going to make money. 1, you go into feed mill industry. 2, you go into pig farming. 3, you go into poultry farming. Either you produce your eggs or you rear the ones for meat. And the last one is fish business. So if you go into fish farming too in Benue State, you are going to make a whole lot of money in Benue State too. Although they are rearing fish, it is not like they are doing it that much. So you are going to make money if you go into the business in Benue State. However, Anambra, Enugu, Imo State, and most part of the eastern place is all the same like the one of Benue State. What they need the most in all these eastern states of Nigeria is the feed mill. They need it very well. I got a number of people that have reached out to me that they want to do local feed and they need a place they are going to do it, but they are not getting it. So if you have the money, I mean the money to buy a good industrial machines like pelletizer, then the grinder and the mixer, generator, and a whole lot of things that will help you to do the business conveniently, that will help you to make up to 2 tons, 3 tons, 5 tons, 10 tons in a day. If you have people that will help you work, you can go into feed mill business in all this eastern part of Nigeria. You are going to make a whole lot of money. Let me find a place to sit here so that we can talk better. So like I told you, all part of the eastern side of Nigeria, what they need the most, the number one thing they need the most is feed mill. Especially those who are going into catfish, because a whole lot of people are going into catfish there. If you have the money to do, if you are living in Ibadan, I'm not saying feed mill is not bringing money in Ibadan. A lot of people need it. The people that have it here in Ibadan are not even enough. We have numbers of feed mill in Ibadan. So if Ibadan is your home, or the Abeokuta is your home, or any place like the Yoruba land, like Ijebu is your home, if you plan to do feed me, you are still going to make money. I'm not saying you are not going to make money. I'm not disputing that fact. You are going to make your money in cool. But I'm talking to the people of this side, the people of Benue, the people of Enugu, the people of Anambra, the people of Nasarawa, down to the people of Benue. All those eastern side and the north central need this feed me more than every other state in Nigeria, because I could notice that most of them are going into fish business newly, and most are going into poultry business newly. So that is the number one thing to do in this land. And number two, don't forget the issue of livestock too is not yet settled over there. So you just have to go there and start your catfish farming, start your poultry farming. Either you are going into egg production or you are going into meat production. Meat production has to do with broiler and noiler and cockerel and any other breed you make choice of rearing. So, and also the one of cattle, the one of goats, all these ones too are needed in those areas. And don't forget, pig farming too is highly needed in that land. But what I want you to do, number one thing, if you have the money to do, is the first thing to do, please, is the issue of the feed me, because I have a lot of people that have reached out to me trying to get where they can, trying to locate where they can do their feed around their area, but they are not getting any in this whole state. All over the state, most of them are not getting the feed me where they can pelletize their feed, where they can do local feed, where they can do sick feed for their catfish. So it has been a whole lot of issue on those land. So if you have the money, just go there, start up your feed me business, and start up your catfish business, the one of poultry and the one of pig farming and cattle that you think you can do. Those are the only things you can do over there that you will make money. Although if you go into crop farming, you are going to make money too. Like I told you, it will just be as if you are sharing the same thing, like you meet them and you people are earning the same thing. But if you start up your own that is different from their own, then you are going to be their leader over there, like making a huge amount of money in what people that are living over there are not doing. So they will be the one depending on you to get anything livestock, to get anything that is pertaining to livestock, and you will be their leader over there because they are not doing it. They only based on crop farming and you based on livestock farming. So you are going to make money, and most of the things that are important to those places, like most of the things that come from other states into that state, won't be coming again because you are producing it for them. And if it is enough, they are not going to depend on the people that are over there. Let me tell you, if you're outside country and you have a land, a free land like you are seeing here, please go back to your state and start up this business. I'm very, very sure you are going to make money inside this business. If you are in Anambra or you are outside country and your home is Anambra, Delta, Enugu, the one of Imo State, Benue State, then Bini, Nasarawa, Jos, down to any other state, and you have interest in doing any business and you haven't started up, like you are confused on what to do, please, as you're watching this video, this is the right thing to do, because I'm speaking from experience and I'm speaking from what I've seen or what I've heard or what I've chatted people over on so far. So please, that is the best for you to go and do. I hope this video encourage and help you a little bit to do something on your farmland so that you can make much money from there. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube videos. Keep on subscribing and keep on like, share and comment. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching.